Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside Settings, so open the app and go straight to General. Don't waste time toggling other menus. Once in General, make sure you're signed into the iCloud account you want associated with the name and connected to Wi-Fi so changes sync. If you use a work or shared Apple ID, double-check permissions now. You'll be changing the device name next, which affects AirDrop, iCloud devices list, and Bluetooth, so pick something clear and appropriate. Now tap About and find Name at the top. This is the editable field that many services read. Tap Name, then either clear the field with the X or select Text to edit. Type a concise, descriptive name. For example, include the model or room like Alex's iPhone 14, so it's easy to spot. Make sure you avoid special characters that can cause display quirks. Once finished, press Done on the keyboard to apply the change locally. After pressing Done, give the system a moment to sync the new name across iCloud, Bluetooth, and AirDrop. Verify by opening Bluetooth or AirDrop on another device and looking for the updated label. If the change doesn't appear, sign out of iCloud and sign back in, or toggle Wi-Fi to force a sync. As a final step, restart your iPhone. That clears cached names on paired devices. If issues persist, check for iOS updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.